Hello everyone, this is Brittany with SLPMaterialGirl.com, here to talk about head-to-toe listening. I'm a Ohio licensed speech-language pathologist, and I am ASHA accredited. I developed this product as part of early intervention for active listening in young students, children. This little social story specifically is great when you're working with a class and you want to have a little program in place that's going to remind them with just a hand signal that you need them to listen, to actively listen, to be a good head-to-toe listener. It's also great to use in one-on-one sessions with a student who has trouble with active listening. You can put the 5 fingers up and they have to tell you, the 5 fingers of being a head-to-toe listener. And it's just a great way to keep your student or a child mindful of, being an active listener so that you can get through your lesson successfully. So I'm going to go ahead and start the slideshow. By the way, if you are presenting this video to a class, if you want to do that, just go ahead and fast forward to this part, and I'll be presenting the social story from this point on. Head-to-toe listening. How do I become a head-to-toe listener? A head-to-toe listener has eyes that look at the speaker. A head-to-toe listener has a quiet mouth. Shh. A head-to-toe listener has a brain that is thinking about the speaker. A head-to-toe listener has shoulders that face the speaker. A head-to-toe listener has quiet hands that are still. A head-to-toe listener has quiet legs and feet that do not stomp or tap. Look, I can be a head-to-toe listener too. Tell me how to be a head-to-toe listener. You have to have eyes that look at the speaker. You have to have a quiet mouth. A brain that is thinking about the speaker. Shoulders that are facing the speaker. Show your shoulders facing the speaker. Very nice. You have to have quiet hands and feet. Great job, everybody. All right, so that was a little awkward, but if you were to show that portion of the video and immediately stop it, you could have me read that social story. Now, if you want to actually go through, you can also pause the video. You can, so have the student show you, okay, so show me what it looks like, eyes that are looking at the speaker, and all the students have to make eye contact with you. A quiet mouth, and then they close their mouth. This seems like a lot. These are a lot of steps. You can simplify this, like you can cut pages out. But I think having the hand symbol, once you've done this story, you can just put up your 5 fingers. It's their symbol. It's their visual cue to be an active listener. And if you've gone through the story a couple times, you definitely want to go through it a couple times. Go through it with the students as a group or as an individual. touch your thumb and you say, eyes that look at the speaker, pointer finger, mouth that is quiet. And you can also, while you're holding up your 5 fingers, you can point to yourself. So you're working, kind of down the body, but like eyes, then you point to your mouth, point to your brain, so back up to your brain. So maybe even, these icons move, you could even put the little brain over here. So then you're going from kind of head to toe. So a brain, you're pointing at your forehead, then you're pointing at your eyes, your mouth, your shoulders, your hands and feet. So you're going down the body, being a head to toe listener. Children, especially children with disabilities or developmental language disorders, are, in my experience, very reactive, or how do I want to say this? I'm sorry, it's early in the morning, everybody. Are very responsive to visual cues. So just holding up those 5 fingers is a great way to do that. This product purchase, you see I put these little cutout lines so that you can have each student have a copy, print them out, keep them, if they need to review it, they can keep it in their desk or on their desk. You can even just print out this last page, the review page, the hand for that. They can even create their own little hand and color it in of what it means to be a head-to-toe listener. If you're purchasing this social story as part of the greater language playbook, or language workbook rather, you just go to slpmaterialgirl.com. You can go to school-aged materials. There it is, the Pragmatic Language Workbook. But that social story head-to-toe listening is part of that. So yeah, I hope you check it out. And good luck with this school year. Good luck with whatever your endeavors are. And I hope to see you back here. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.